everybody on this dreary bit of a Friday, but hopefully it gets itself out of the way so that way seniors have a beautiful graduation on Sunday this week. So coming at you to let you know what's going on in Erie and Ottawa County and the real estate market. So this week we saw 28 new listings come on the market in Ottawa County. 17 went contingent already, 4 went pending, and we had 12 closed last week. Average days on market was 43. Average sales price was $323,492, and our average price per square foot was 207. No changes in the multi-unit market. Land, 11 new came on the market and 4 closed. So 81 properties available altogether in Ottawa County, which is up 7 over last week. So we are seeing a little bit more come on the market and stay on. So we have low price point of $34.9, high price point of $3.49. I don't know why I have a bruise on my face, but we just do sometimes. So 6 properties available under 100,000, 9 properties available over $1 million, and then look for the infographic next of where everything is available. Erie County, what we saw happen there, 31 properties came on the market, 17 contingent, 9 pending, 15 closed last week. Average days on market, 37. Average price point sold, $289,027. That is up quite a bit over their normal average because they had a property for $1,662,500 sell. And that was a property on Cleveland Road in Huron that came with 2.72 acres. So quite an impressive lakefront property. And their average price per square foot was $163. Multi-unit, 1 new, 3 contingent. Land, 7 new, 2 pending, 3 contingent, 3 sold, and 59 properties available in Erie County. So that is up 1 over last year. Rough day today with speaking. 1 over last week. So next you'll see where all those properties are available. You know, I put those infographics next. So some interesting reading I did this week. If you know me, you know I'm kind of a book nerd. So CoreLogic sent out an email that I was reading, and they talked about that United States delinquencies are at an all-time low. So we see about 3.2% of people are in foreclosure or some process of that. I do know locally here we're not seeing as many sheriff sales per se, but I did see maybe a handful of tax sales available online. So not necessarily behind on mortgages, but behind on taxes. So some of those properties are available on auction. Those you cannot gain access to prior to closing. You get the property just as it is, sometimes with the owners still inside, and then you are responsible to evict them after. So it can be a little bit of a process. Sometimes that is worth it though, because they are selling for quite a bit less than fair market value. So that brings me to homeowners. If you're struggling, taxes, foreclosure, getting behind, reach out to a professional such as me, and we can help you. There is probably a lot of equity in your property, and you could walk away with money in hand or even break even. And I have always stated sometimes starting over at nothing is a beautiful thing. It's a fresh start, so reach out to me and I can help you with that. Another thing they mentioned was adjustable rates appear to be making a little bit of a comeback. So back in 06, 08, we saw some people struggle with that who got into the adjustable rate mortgage. So what I will kind of caution my buyers with is adjustable rates are great. You get an introductory rate and then it can change. Well, as we know, interest rates are on the rise. Think about what is the max that interest rate could go to, and can you afford the property if it were to go up to that max? I hate to see anybody get into that game of kind of catch up when you just can't do it, you know, when those interest rates may go up. Really read the terms of those. How much can they go up? How frequently can they go up? So again, if you have any questions, I'd be happy to help. I just don't really want to see anybody get into that that little catch of what's going on. And another thing I shared yesterday, but I'm sure not a lot of people opened it, but Ohio Realtors, what they saw last April to this April for the Firelands Association of Realtors. That is our local board and MLS, our multiple listing service, where we share the data with all the other realtors in the area. So we are down 1.6 units sold over last April. We are up 15% in volume dollar amount, and we are up 17% in sales price. So that's just April to April. So just comparing April's. But if we go year to date, Firelands Association Realtors is down 10.1%. That probably doesn't surprise a lot of people because we just haven't had a lot of inventory to sell. And then we are up 1.2% in dollar volume. So again, not much inventory. So prices are still higher. And then we're up 12.6% on sales price. So I thought those were all interesting because I'm kind of a nerd. So if you have any questions, any real estate needs, please reach out to me. Alex Morgan Johnson, Weichert Realtors, Morgan Realty Group. Thank you guys and have a fantastic weekend.